So I had this curtain rod with these curtain rings for almost 3 years now, and this is how they look 3 years later. So this rod actually expands. You do not need no screws to put it on. So look, you just twist the two sides the opposite ways, adjust it to both sides, and you twist it clockwise to tighten it. Let me re-demonstrate it. So you push it to two sides of the wall and you turn this one side clockwise, and look how sturdy it is. So both sides of this pole have like this rubber gripper, which is like, look how cool. I literally, as long as you make it tight, like that's how sturdy it's gonna be. So you could go as high as you want, as low as you want, like it stays sturdy. And that's it. And the rings are amazing. They are fabulous. They do their job. Very cute, very simple, yet give a really beautiful vibe in the restroom.